Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks, because Fridays are a drag. In today's video, it's all about extensions. I finally got myself keratin extensions, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of a process. I'm gonna take you to a trip to my hairdresser, and we're gonna see the process and the final result. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so you get notified of all new videos I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. So follow me on social media, all the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this hair video. So as you might know me, you've seen my other videos, I often wear clip-in extensions. I usually wear them over here, all the way over here, and not much in the back, because the set that I have is kind of like not enough hair for the full head, so my back looks real bad. Some of you might have seen my back before and had a laugh at it, but anyway, I also wanted to have extensions, but as a former hairdresser, I know that extensions involve a little bit of hair damage, some more than others. The keratin tip extensions probably less than other, but you have to be careful how you put them in, how you remove them. But I never thought I would do it until recently I decided that my hair is so bad. It's just so bad that it's not even worth saving. Might as well put extensions in it. So this is my new hair. It's 18 inches. It's Remy human hair, of course. I got it from a local hair store. Goes all the way down here. So I was referred to that store by my hairdresser, and I was referred to my hairdresser by one of my friends. Her name is Lala. Lala, if you're watching it, thank you so much. Sara is wonderful. So when I moved to LA, I pretty much didn't know anybody. Still don't know many people, except for kimchi stuff, which kimchi staff, all the people are great, amazing. But Lala is one of sausages and Make Me Up Miss a Patreon group. Anyway, she lives in Los Angeles as well, and she's also shares something else with me. She's Armenian, and I'm part Armenian because my dad was like Armenian, mostly Armenian. Anyway, and if you know Glendale here in LA, it's like a little Armenia over there. Everybody's Armenian. So the whole salon is like speaks Armenian. I walked in and everybody is like blah 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 their own language. Everybody looks like a Kardashian. And I texted my friends and said that it looks like Kardashians threw up all over it. It does. It was so amazing. And the girl was very nice. She gave me a consultation and she says, go get 5 bundles, and it's pricey, but you know, it's once in a while a treat, you know. I wanted to have nicer hair for holidays, for my trip to Scotland. And John and I going to Scotland, as you might know, to meet Missa and other sausages. My other friends, I keep playing with my hair. I just had it done, like, I just got home. So I keep playing with it. So anyway, so we'll see. I might want to redo it again. You know, you can take them out, retip them, which I can do it myself actually, because I'm a trained hairdresser. If you heard me laughing, it's because my cat is trying to take anything he can out of my makeup table and play with it. He just knocked like 3 things off. Anyway, regardless, so this is like, it's not a lot of hair, but I have very thin hair, so I think it blends just right. And once I wash it, it's gonna look a little more voluminous, because when it comes in a package, it's very silky. It's like processed somehow, you know, it's like very, very tight. But once I wash it, it's gonna look more like my hair. She did a wonderful job, you know. I'll show you maybe a little bit. See, this is what the tips look like. They're very small, so you can barely see them. The match to my hair is wonderful. It's like perfect. A match to color 60, which I thought that's gonna be my color. Um, so I bought the hair like a couple of weeks ago, and I had my appointment today on Black Friday. And we are leaving, my husband and I are going to Europe in a week exactly. So next Friday we're gonna be traveling. I just realized it's next Friday. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm excited to meet Missa and Teresa and other girls. Lucy's gonna be there. I mean, it's all our makeup group friends of makeup, like everybody from Make Me Up Missa Patreon group. So I'm gonna look fabulous, and it's also our anniversary. We're gonna be celebrating 23 years together, me and John. So we're gonna be celebrating in Scotland. Hopefully we're not gonna be like frozen there and wet, because I know it rains there. And I have all this new fabulous hair. Don't get it wet. Don't want to get it wet. So I'm just blubbering all over the place because I'm like real happy right now. I love this hair. And yeah, so today I had a long process of about 3 hours to install all of this. Maybe like a little less than 3 hours. But yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to try to curl them and see how it looks curly, and then when I wash it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear them for a while, and then we'll see. Maybe I'll retip them, because I know I can do it myself. Can get some more keratin tips on the tool or retip them again. So we're gonna go into the salon. I'm gonna show you a little bit of clip of her applying it, and we're gonna wrap it up. Hi guys, I'm in the car right now. So we arrive into the salon. This is a salon in Glendale. It's called Beaute Bar, like a beauty with a E at the end, very bushy. I was referred, of course, by my friend Lala. So I'm very excited, about to get long hair. No more frizzy, well, it's still gonna be frizzy, but no more short, dried and fried and laid to the side. So I'm gonna meet you back in the salon. So I'm in the salon right now. We're gonna start the application. I'm probably gonna put the camera on the counter so you guys can see a little bit of what's going on. So this is what my hair looks like now. And you can see the salon in the background. It's really pretty here. And Sara is my hairdresser. She's over there. There she is. So you'll see the full transformation. So we've been going on for like almost 2 hours, so it's almost done. You probably see a little bit in the back. I'm so happy. It's looking so good already. I'm so excited. This is gonna be epic. So I'm gonna show you a little bit closer to the end. So I have the rest here, and I have one more bundle. It's like 1.5. I'm afraid I'm gonna get so used to it, I will never go back. It's just so nice. So I've got hair all finished. You can see it in the mirror. This is the best thing ever done. I regret never trying this before. These are really nice. So this is a keratin fusion, hot keratin extensions, hot fusion, whatever you call it. This is so pretty. It's probably blurry in the back. There you go. Now you can see it. So I'm all done. So thank you Beaute Bar and thank you Sara. She did amazing. This hair is gonna be even better when I wash it first, because she says it's gonna look more full and more like my own texture. Because right now it's like very silky the way it comes from back. But it is 5 bundles. It looks unbelievable. She did such a great job and it blends. My own hair is so short under and it still looks great. I'm so happy. So I highly recommend this, guys. I mean, I know that hair extensions can be damaging, but if you do it the right way, it's gonna be great. It's very pricey, of course, but you know, once in a while you can treat yourself. So as you can see from salon footage, it's a little bit of a tedious process, but it's fun. We had a good chat. Sara is so nice. I just enjoyed it so much. Everybody in the salon looks very nice. It's a beautiful place. And I'm very happy with the results. Sara is a genius. She's so fast. I mean, there are a lot of pieces in that bundle. It's 5 bundles. And she did such a great job. It looks amazing. So let me know what you guys think. I say for now, I mean, I just had them done. For now, I really love them. I don't feel them at all. The tips are very flat and very small, skinny. Maybe I'll feel them a couple of days. She says I might feel them while I'm sleeping, but then it's gonna go feel normal. So I'm very happy. So I'll show you the back. So here's the back. You can see a little bit. There you go. So now I look normal. I told Sara about that case when I was live on YouTube and I had my extensions like over here and then didn't put any in the back, and then I turned around and everybody saw the kitchen and the kitchen was bare and ratchet. It was so bad. People still laugh at me from that time. And then they could see everything. The hair sticking up and there was no tracks in the back. So no more ratchet hair for me. So now it looks all nice. So the name of salon is in Glendale, and the name is Beaute Bar. It's a beauty, like a is beauty. It's like a bougie beauty bar. So, and I think most of the girls work for salon, but they get their own supply, so it's kind of like, I'm not sure, maybe they're booth renting. But Sara was wonderful, so huge thank you to Beaute Bar and Sara. You guys are amazing, you rock. So again, let me know what you think. Have you ever had this done? I mean, they're not cheap, but since I have thin hair, it wasn't as much hair as some other person would get, so I'm very happy. So leave me a comment, like this video if you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. So follow me on social media, and all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me and your support. I love you guys and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!